This is a 15-minute pranayama you can do anywhere. You can do this in the morning, evening, when you want your pranic vibration, the health of your pranic body to go up. And as you bring the energy, the vibration of your pranic body up, it slowly and surely starts to show up in your life, in your physical body. Remember, the health of your pranic body depends on the health of your spine. So initially, we focus on twisting the spine a little bit. Then we go into the breath of fire to shake this energy. Then we take this energy we cultivated and bring it up through Bhastrika pranayama, and with alternate nostril breathing and 3 chants of Om sound. And we'll give you a specific mudra to practice with the Om sound. So stick around and we'll start with spinal twists. First, we'll do the stretching. So bring your arms up. 3 times we'll do. Inhale, interlace the palms, palms facing up. Straighten the spine, chin up. Exhale. Inhale. Creating a little curve in the body as you look up. Exhale. One last time. We'll stay with the breath in, hold the breath in, and add a little curve to the spine. Look up, lean back. And exhale. Beautiful. Very slowly. Transition to the next pose. Now inhale, arms out, chest out. Exhale, left palm on the right knee. Bring your right palm behind you. Push the earth. Straighten your spine and twist. Inhale. Exhale. Right palm, left knee, left palm behind you. Straighten and twist. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. We'll stay here for a little bit. Exhale. Continue twisting, continue exhaling, and hold. Inhale. And exhale. And hold. Beautiful. Now we start with the pranayama, Kapalabhati pranayama, breath of fire. Move this energy we shook from the bottom of your spine and try to bring it up towards the crown chakra. All right. Inhale fully. Exhale fully. Inhale halfway. Exhale. Exhale fully, hold the breath out, pull the diaphragm up, belly in, 15 seconds. Rejuvenating breath in, holding the breath in 30 seconds, engaging root chakra. Beautiful. Exhale. Inhale normally. Sit in meditation. 30 seconds. Watch the energy rise. Slowly start to open your eyes. Amazing job, my friends. Now we get to use Bhastrika Pranayama to pump this energy we cultivated here. Go up towards the heart chakra. Here, you'll be breathing in and out rapidly. Both inhales and exhales are active processes. So take your time, bring your whole awareness onto your spine. You breathe into your belly first, then fill up the chest, but this happens fast. Inhale. Exhale fully, holding the breath out 15 seconds. Diaphragm up, belly in, engaging root chakra. 15 seconds. Rejuvenating breath in again, 30 seconds hold. Inhale, exhale normally. Sit in meditation. Watch the energy rise up through the spine. Slowly start to open your eyes. Amazing, my friends. Now we go into alternate nostril breathing. Here we get to balance the masculine and feminine energies within you, your energy system. So coming into Vishnu Mudra, inhaling from the left for 6, hold 6. Focus on the third eye as you hold. Exhale right 6. Beautiful. Inhale right 6. Hold 6. Exhale left 6. Inhale left 6. Hold 6. Exhale right 6. Inhale right 6. Hold 6. Exhale left 6. Inhale left 6 now. Hold 6. Exhale right 6. And we introduce another hold after the exhale. hold 6. Inhale right 6. Hold 6. Exhale left 6. Hold 6 at the bottom. Inhale left 6. Hold 6. Exhale right 6. Hold 6. Inhale right 6. Holding for 6 one last time. And exhale left 6. Beautiful. Allow the breath to come out in normally. Sit in meditation and coming into Akasha Mudra. Bring the tallest finger and the thumb tip to touch and come to sit in meditation. Beautiful. Slowly start to open your eyes. All right, my friends, now we'll finish the practice with 3 chants of long, deep, slow ohms. So the A sound of Om would start here at the solar plexus, belly. U sound, you'll vibrate at the throat level. Sound, you'll seal the lips and feel the vibration of sound at your hypothalamus, third eye area. All right, so coming into Anjani Mudra. So keep the fingertips touched each other and create a little distance between your palms. Inhale fully. Beautiful job. Very slowly start to open your eyes. Amazing, my friends. So please continue this practice for the next 3 weeks, 21 days, in the morning, in the evening, whenever you feel like you need your pranic energy, you need the pranic vibration to go up. And this pranic energy, the rise of this pranic energy would start to reflect in your physical body, in your material life. All right, my friends, I hope you got a little value from this video. If you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, and send this video to a loved one who can also get the benefits of pranayama meditation into their life. We have prepared a powerful guided meditation for letting go and surrender to support your journey of conscious decision making. Along with it, we have included a beautifully designed decision-making journal to help you track your weekly challenges. You can download them by using the link in the description below. If today's session was helpful for you, you can enroll in our complete breathwork course for conscious decision-making. This step-by-step program is designed to help you build confidence and align your choices
with who you truly are. You can join us through our Holistic Awakening membership, which gives you access not only to this course, but also to all our breathwork and meditation programs. Plus, you can download the School of Breath app to access all our courses, timed guided breathwork sessions, guided meditations, and calming sleep music all in one place. Don't delay your transformation. Click the link in the description to begin your path to empowered and conscious decision making.
Until next time, my friends, my name is Abhi Dugal, and thank you for tuning in to the School of Breath. Namaste, peace, and love.